Hey everyone, today I'll teach you how to copy a text from a video or photo. Thanks to the new update, you can do more things in the Camera Roll app, which helps you in more tasks. One of those is copying a text or message just by clicking. The first step is to open your gallery or camera app and then find a text or a photo with a text on it that you want to copy and paste from. Just hold the text and you'll see it pop right out of the image. Now tap on it and click on copy. If you don't know where to paste it, just go to notes and click on it. You will see paste and there you go. It's that simple. It's pasted now. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.